This is a 19-foot boat, and today it's getting a name change. So out with the old and in with the new. Okay, happy Tuesday, guys. So today we are on our way back to the marina because we are doing another boat, and so right now we're just going to check out this gentleman's boat and the graphics that he wants to get put on it and kind of get everything all planned out and go from there. How you feel about the boat being done?
Great.
Feel great?
Great.
What do you think about the name change?
Great. The bugs
The bugs.
are eating me alive. I'm alright there.
Alright guys, so we are all finished with the boat. We welcome Lucy Lee. All we have to do is just button up the snaps here, and then that is a total job completed. Sent a whole bunch of pictures. It's named after the guy's wife, so she loves it, he loves it, and it came out really awesome, and it was a quick job, so always welcome those. If you guys liked what you saw today, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, letting us know what you're interested in seeing more of, less of. We're all ears, we're an open book, so we have no problem welcoming those suggestions. Like I said, we've got more of this coming for you. And just, yeah, let us know. We're all ears. Thank you guys. See ya.